Hey there, future Scrum Masters. Welcome back to Scaleup Consultants, your go-to source for mastering the art of Scrum. If you're here, it's likely because you're ready to take your career to the next level with our Scrum Master Certification course. Trust me, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into the details, let me share a little story. Imagine you're at a pivotal point in your career, eager to embrace Agile, lead teams to success, and become a true Scrum Master. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the right certification. That's where Scaleup Consultants steps in, your key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Meet Manish. Just like you, he was passionate about leading teams and switching to project management. However, he found a traditional project management mindset. Frustrated with the lack of agility, Manish discovered the Scrum Master Certification course at Scaleup Consultants. Manish's story isn't unique. Many professionals face similar challenges, and the solution lies in our meticulously crafted Scrum Master Certification course. Scaleup has an X factor, particularly because they provide you with 120+ practice questions and expert guidance. You would be getting a Scrum visual guide. This would also help you to interact with 3,000+ alumni network. What's better? You get a 2-year membership of the Scrum Alliance, 16 SCUs for renewal, and 16 PMI dues. Now, let's talk about what sets our course apart. Our expert trainers bring real-world experience to the table, ensuring you not only understand the theory, but also know how to apply it in diverse situations. We cover everything from the fundamentals of Scrum to advanced leadership frameworks. And here's the exciting part. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount for early enrollees. Yes, you heard it right. But before we get to that, let me share one more thing with you. Are you ready to take charge of your career? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Enroll now by calling 985099415. That's 985099415. The number is on the screen, so grab your phone and take the first step towards becoming a certified Scrum Master with Scaleup Consultants. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, your success story begins here at Scaleup Consultants. Don't just follow the industry, lead it with our Scrum Master Certification course. I'll catch you in the next video, and until then, happy scrumming.